KBB.com Brand Image Awards. This GMC Sierra 1500 delivers a gas 5.3 liters/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. Tires: P275/55 R20 all season, Blackwall, STD, sunroof, power, remote keyless entry. This GMC Sierra 1500 features the following options: driver alert package includes lane departure warning, forward collision alert and safety alert seat, wheels, 4-20x9, 50.8 cm x 22.9 cm, bright machined aluminum, STD, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise grade braking and powertrain grade braking, STD, trailer brake controller, integrated, seats, front full feature leather appointed bucket with, KA1, heated seat cushions and seat backs. Includes 12-way power driver and front passenger seat adjusters, including 2-way power lumbar control, 2-position driver memory, adjustable head restraints, DO7, floor console and storage pockets. STD, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, iridium metallic, engine, 5.3 liters ECOTEC3 V8 with active fuel management, direct injection, and variable valve timing. Includes aluminum block construction, 355 horsepower, 265 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 383 pounds-to-foot of torque, 518 Newton-meters, at 4,100 revolutions per minute, more than 300 pounds-to-foot of torque from 2,000 to 5,600 revolutions per minute. STD, Coco/2, perforated leather appointed seat trim, audio system, 8 diagonal color touchscreen navigation with INTELLILINK, AM/FM/SIRIUSXM with USB ports, auxiliary jack, SD card slot, Bluetooth streaming audio for music and most phones, hands-free smartphone integration and voice-activated technology for radio and phone. STD. Expert reviews. As reported by the manufacturer summary, the GMC Sierra 1500 possesses chiseled features and distinct lines that not only make it look imposing, but increase how aerodynamic it is as well. In front, between the projector beam headlights, there is an incredibly striking and enormous chrome grille. While driving, it takes in a large portion of the air for cooling the engine, and lets the remainder glide across the truck. It is complemented by a bumper made of sculpted steel, a strong angled hood, and bulging fender flares. The changes made to the truck body, and the resulting improvements in airflow, add up to a quieter cabin for you and your passengers. Plus, its new hydraulic body mounts help mitigate vibrations to give you a smoother and more comfortable ride. The seats utilize a new design for lasting comfort and reduced fatigue. On select models, the instrument panel incorporates a high-end soft feel, combined with trim made of aluminum for an overall look that is very stylish. The instrument panel has been laid out in such a way that your controls are now easier to get to and see, with larger buttons and knobs, which are more convenient to grab. Spoil yourself with the available 8-inch INTELLILINK touchscreen system that you can opt for on SLE and SLT trims. It lets you control your radio and make calls hands-free, wirelessly stream music from your phone, use the rear-view camera, and operate the navigation system. Sierra 1500 comes with a choice of 3 powerful engines, a 4.3 liters V6 ECOTEC3 engine with 285 horsepower, a 5.3 liters V8 with 355 horsepower, and a 6.2 liters V8 with 420 horsepower. You have the choice between the crew cab, double cab, and regular cab, and all except the double cab give you the option of 2 different box sizes and having towing capacities from 5,800 to 12,000 pounds. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V9T3L3 can get you a trustworthy Sierra 1500 today.